Alright, so today we hiked a volcano just to show you guys intelligent flight modes in the Mavic Pro 2. Today we are doing
quick shots.
Okay, so first quick shot mode we're going to go into is Dronie mode. And if you guys are flyers of the drones before, you know what Dronie mode is. Dronie mode is going to pick its subject. It's going to fly directly back and directly up. So let's check it out. Boom, there you go, Dronie to the max. Let's bring her on home. Okay, and one thing to point out, in the new Mavic Pro 2, you're gonna see all of these little icons on the screen. All of those are detected by the Mavic Pro 2 as subjects that you can track. So this is different from the Mavic Pro where you had to draw a box around your subject. Now, you can still draw a box around your subject in the Mavic Pro 2 screen, but you can also just click on your subject. Boom, going back into Dronie. But we don't want to go back into Dronie. We want to show some new
quick shots.
For the next quick shot, we are gonna do circle mode. Really standard circle, very cool result. Okay, so let's click on our subject.
3, 2, 1.
And there we go, we've come full circle back to front, and we're gonna move on quick to the next quick shot mode, which is the Helix mode. It's the advanced circle mode. So this one's gonna take off, it's gonna start doing circles, it's gonna rise, and it's gonna increase those circles. So let's see how it looks. Right, there you guys go. That's Helix mode. I love Helix mode because it reveals everything that's around you, especially when you're on top of a volcano like this. So let's go to the next quick shot mode. Next quick shot mode is rocket, and how fitting is that we are on top of a volcano. So let's select it on our screen, and same as before, you guessed it, aim down at your subject with your gimbal. Select one of your subjects. 3, 2, 1 countdown, and here it goes.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
Okay, got to 50 meters, that's the limit, and then it comes back down, so make sure to keep that in mind when you pick your frame. Okay, let's jump to the next quick shot mode. We got 2 more, guys. All right, Boomerang. Boomerang is incredible. It is probably my very favorite quick shot mode. It's the most cinematic, and it's perfect for something like that out there. Look, quick. sunset. Okay, come back to me. Here we go. We're gonna see if we can capture it. Let's bring the drone down real low. And we're gonna move the drone over to where we want the focus to be, which is those rays of light coming down. And make sure that we have a good angle on our subjects. So we're going to tilt up the gimbal. Okay, we're going to bring it down even more. Be careful, make sure you have enough clearance all around you that your drone can actually do the ellipse. So there's Boomerang selected. Select our subject. 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Okay, so I had it just a little bit too high and the Hasselblad couldn't quite handle the HDR of me plus the sunset there. So it wasn't exactly what I planned, but you guys get the idea. Let's go to the very last quick shot mode. No! And the last quick shot mode, which some people say is overplayed, I think is pretty cool, is Asteroid. So let's see if it'll work in this sort of lighting condition with the black dirt, really strong sunset, really strong whites out there. Let's see what happens.
Three, two, one.
Here we go. Okay guys, that is it for
Quick Shots.
I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to dislike, unsubscribe, don't leave any comments because I didn't want to talk to you anyways, and we'll see you next time.